Culture Pavilion in Davos, just outside the MIT Hub Culture Lunch on visionary investing. Very pleased to be joined by Tilman Ehrbeck, partner at Omidyar Network. Now tell me about the lunch. What were some of the themes that were discussed?
Great conversation over lunch and a good snapshot of where the field is, if you will. So impact investing is pretty new. Impact means different things to different people. And we need to develop a common language and vocabulary so that the right impact investors and the right impact investing opportunities can find each other without disappointment.
And what do you think what are the sticking points? Is it about risk? Is that one of about how you value the risk? What are the areas that you saw tension or opportunities?
So the key question that the group wrestled with, and that is quite typical for the field at this stage, is what do we mean by impact? And impact is in the eye of the beholder. And if you say impact is a mission-oriented ethical business that goes about its business, then you might not have much of a trade-off between financial returns and doing mission-oriented good things. But there might be at the other end of the extreme issues that are really, really tough to tackle, that might have a bit of a public good nature, they might require a bit of a subsidy. And there people are saying we need to probably trade off the social impact expectation with a lower financial expectation. And all these flavors of impact investing do exist.
What's the kind of impact investing that you do at Omidyar?
So we like to invest a bit like a VC, a venture capital firm. We like to invest behind great entrepreneurs and teams who have a really, really good idea to solve a big issue. Often they use technology to do so, because technology allows you to reach far more people faster and at a lower cost than in the past. And we do that in emerging markets where it's a bit more commercially oriented, you could argue, in a couple of areas like service provision for the half of humanity that is outside of formal markets. So we are trying to help deepen markets, if you will. But we also do it against issues such as government transparency or citizens' engagement, which are a bit more public good in nature and therefore require a bit more of a subsidy element. So the Omidyar Network actually has a foundation, a US 501c3, and we have an investment firm. So we have the flexibility to use the right capital to support the right team with what it needs, the right entrepreneurial team with what it needs.
Thank you very much, Tilman, for stopping outside of the Hub Culture Pavilion here in Davos, and I'm Edie Lush.
Okay.